Hey guys, so I'm back again and I'm heading to Golaghat, Assam for a judging, and I'm here with my bestie. She said that what you shun mo nga tang mga shun bit pa. So I don't have anyone to come along, so I told her to come along with me to give a company so that I can have someone to be with me so that I won't be bored. And yeah, so our train will be by 11:40. So waiting. We have reached here since morning. Oh, sorry, not morning. We have reached here like around 6. No, not 6. Ay, ipoy ka na ba siya ko? Alangalin na kami-step niya, ipoy. Kunday ba dyan? Yeah, we reach around 9 and yeah. Oh, yes. So by 8:40, something like that. So we're still waiting. And this is the first time coming here. Balay. See, I'll make her feeling. Okay, whatever. So I'll see you guys over there. What you? Oh, yeah, I remember. She said something that because it's her first time, and she said that I feel like. She said that I feel like coming here. I remember some movies, Salman Khan ka movie. Fun man. Okay, guys, I'll see you. Hey guys, good morning. So, you know what? We have reached here since morning. And not too. We have struggled a lot, like in a way that we didn't get a confirmed ticket, and I was so angry. I was so pissed off with the organizer, but anyhow we made it, and we got a seat finally, and we reached here, and we didn't even get to sleep properly also. So that's what, we just woke up only around 10:30 something, and now we're having our breakfast. But he bought us a good breakfast, a roll and the pastry, and we are watching Sanjay Dutt. I did forgot. Yeah, we are watching at the same time a movie, and then at the same time we're having our breakfast, and then in a while only we have to move. I have to get ready. Guys, now we're moving to the venue, and yeah, let's go and see over there. I feel like Assam whenever I go, because I've been like exploring in so many places. Assam, like Bogachan, and now this time what is Sarupathar, and even I have went to this Sivsagar. Like there's so many, and I feel like it's the same only whenever I come. The road and all, like Lakhimpur, I feel like the same. So yeah, let's go and see in the venue how is it, and I'm gonna meet my friends also. Yeah, so let's go.
And put your hands together for, ladies and gentlemen, our invited guests, our respected judges. Thank you so much, everybody. Please put your hands together again.
Hey, look at the crowds. Can you see crowd? Guys, so over here I met them, and अभी उन लोग का already चालू हो गया अपना अपना vlog. So I met them, and Rohan,
आंटी और मैं कोलैबोरेशन कर
hello. Everyone is doing their own vlog.
4 ब्लॉगर एक साथ टकरा गए.
Huh? Yes, हाँ वो तो है. After so long. So vlog and after crazy हो गया. So yeah.
आहा नाचे नाचे कोई आहा नाचे नाचे
Guys, I'm hungry and now we're going to have food price.
जितना आप लोग सोच रहे थे लाइक इन जनरल स्टेज के बाद हम लोग फ्रेंड्स ही हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. एंड और सबसे चौंकाने वाली बात ये है कि जब इन लोग ये आईवीडी में थी मेगा ऑडिशन के टाइम पे इनके ओपोनेंट में भी वो चित्राक्षी थी ना. और वही चीज़ हिप हॉप इंडिया में भी हुआ भाई. मतलब क्रिएटिव ने जानबूझ के इनको लड़ाया है. पर जो भी वो बहुत अच्छा था और जैसा ग्राफ उठते गया है बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा था. मेरे को लगा था कि भाई इतना जल्दी यामन को नहीं जाना चाहिए बट ठीक है. और फ्यूचर्स में कुछ ना कुछ में यामन ज़रूर दिखेगी.
Thank you so much.
और वो भाई ब्लॉगिंग कर रही है गाइस. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करें यामन को. यामन के फैंस प्लीज़ जल्दी से जल्दी सब्सक्राइब करें. इनके घर में फुल पैसे ही पैसे होने चाहिए यूट्यूब से.
मेरा नाम है छोटा भीम. मैं लड्डू खा के सारे लिरिक्स गा सकता हूँ. मेरा नाम है चुटकी. मैं भीम की बहुत प्यारी हूँ. भीम गाना गा सकता है तो मुझे गाने की क्या जरूरत. डिंग 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 डिंग. मेरा नाम है निंजा हथौड़ी. मैं सब कुछ गा सकता हूँ. सभी को देखकर मुझे मन कर रहा है कि आप सभी से पूरा रात नचवाऊं. नाचने के लिए आप रेडी हो ना. अरे मैंने शुरुआत की है तो अंत भी तो मुझे ही करना होगा. ओके बाय. थैंक यू.
ऐसा नहीं होगा.
My goodness.
Kajal, please come on the
Talent
stage.
is so like crazy.
Kajal
Yeah.
Mishra Pasate,
She
Miss
knows how to
Sagar.
mimic like in every like animation or anything. So yeah, let's go back to the competition. And it's already 11 something p.m. It's nearly 12 a.m. in the morning and we're still here sitting for judging. And I don't know, and I'm feeling sleepy too. So yeah, let's go. Guys, we just finished a show, not yet done also, 5-4, and still the show is still going on, and now I have to go back home and my bus is around 6. Guys, I have to do it fast. Hey guys, good morning. And you know what, hum log na like the show, it's not yet done, and what I did, because I can't read anymore, because they have really crossed the limit and the participants are so many, and I was like, I wanted to come home because I have to attend some programs and all, so that's what I want to come so badly. And you know what, I didn't even take a vlog anymore in the morning also, because I'm really tired and getting pissed off. There are a lot of participants 6. It would have done early. And you know what, guys? I'm really pissed off because like I have to go to Shillong also, and there's not even a seat for the train. I'm not getting a seat. So I was so like not happy because I wanted to come so badly, obviously. On top of that, you know what? My bus nearly come because it's 6, and I'm there still sitting judging. And I was like, no, this is not happening. I'm gonna get up from here. I'm gonna go. This is not happening. I know people over there. If they see me, I hope you guys see my channel. You will know because like we have, I think the other artists also. We have did a great job, but the problem is like we can't, which is like I mean like they already crossed the limit. Like the timing with us, it doesn't suit anymore. At least like till 1 last luck, if it's still like for judging, it's still fine. But till 5 a.m. After that also, I just asked my other artist. Thank God they listened to me. I told them like, guys, please help me. You guys do the marks and all. The जो बाकी वाला है. So I'm saying like that to them, so that I can go and get change, and the bus will be coming at around 6. So that's what. And finally now I'm in the bus, as you can see on me. Okay. And thank God we got this bus also. Otherwise there's no option anymore for us. But anyway, making a big event, obviously it's very difficult to me to handle all this, all that, because guys, 200 plus the contestant, and we are like so bored to see also. So it's not so bored that we are watching the dances. They are so talented, let me tell you. Obviously from Assam, everyone is so talented, like for dancing, and like they are really good. But it's just the timing. It's too much, I feel. And like even we need